Hey Nikon shooters! Today we're breaking down the best Nikon lenses in 2026, from everyday zooms to dreamlike primes. Whether you're shooting portraits, travel, landscapes, or videos, these lenses will seriously level up your game. Let's dive in. First up is the Nikon Nikkor Z 24-120mm f4S, an absolute workhorse for everyday photography and video. This zoom covers a super useful range that takes you from wide landscapes to short telephoto shots without changing lenses. The constant f4 aperture means consistent exposure as you zoom, and the optical quality is clean and sharp across the frame. I love how versatile this lens feels. It's one you can toss on your camera and forget about, because it just gets the shot whether you're exploring cities, documenting travels, or shooting run-and-gun videos. It's smooth, reliable, and perfect for creators who want one lens that does really a lot. Check the description for the link to grab this one. Next is the Nikon Nikkor Z 50mm f1.2s, the lens for dreamy portraits, gorgeous subject separation, and killer low-light performance. This prime lens has a super fast f1.2 aperture, which gives you that beautiful creamy background blur that makes your subject pop. The sharpness, contrast, and color rendition are seriously next level. Great for portraits, street photography, or even cinematic videos. You feel like a pro the moment you start shooting with it. And trust me, once you've shot wide open on this lens, you'll never want to go back. Want one? Links in the description. If you're ready to level up your whole kit, the Nikon Z 7 II with zoom lens bundle is an incredible choice. The Z 7 II body rocks a high-resolution sensor that delivers insane detail and dynamic range. Perfect for landscapes, portraits, and studio work. Paired with a versatile zoom lens, usually a 24-70 or 24-200 depending on the kit, this setup is ideal for photographers who want one camera system that does it all. People rave about how responsive the autofocus is and how easy the menus and controls feel, even when you're switching between stills and video. If you want a serious all-in-one kit without piecing parts together, this is a killer option. Check the description for the link to this bundle. For pros and enthusiasts who demand top performance across the board, the Nikon Nikkor Z 24-70mm f2.8s2 is a dream. This updated zoom lens has a fast and constant f2.8 aperture, which is perfect for low-light shooting, portraits with beautiful background fall-off, and video work where you want that cinematic look. The sharpness from edge to edge is seriously impressive, and the build quality feels rugged and weather-sealed so you can take it anywhere. If I could recommend just one zoom for serious Nikon Z shooters, this would be it. It's the go-to lens that professionals reach for when they need top-tier quality. Want this beast? Links in the description. Nikon AFS Nikkor 50mm f1.8G, a classic staple lens that's affordable, lightweight, and super sharp. This 50mm prime is perfect for portraits, street shots, and everyday photography. The f1.8 aperture lets in plenty of light and gives you lovely background separation without breaking the bank. If you're just getting into Nikon, this is one of the best value lenses you can buy. It feels great in hand, focuses quietly, and produces beautiful images that'll make you smile. So whether you're a student, hobbyist, or seasoned shooter looking for a trusty walk-around lens, this one should be in your bag. Hit the link in the description to grab this classic. And that's a wrap on the best Nikon lenses of 2026. Whether you want a versatile zoom, a gorgeous prime, or a complete kit, there's something here for every shooter. Don't forget to check the description for all the links and drop a comment telling me which lens you're adding to your kit. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.